Hi everybody, my name's James, and in today's business tip we're going to talk about responsive design and how that can have a positive impact on your business. So firstly, what is responsive design? Responsive design is when a website has the ability to adapt to whatever device it's being shown on. For example, we all use multiple different devices throughout our daily lives at the moment. So we might use an iPhone, we might use a Samsung Galaxy phone or any other kind of smartphone. We might use a tablet, so we might use an iPad, we might use a Galaxy tablet or a Kindle tablet as well. And we probably, if we work in an office, will use some sort of desktop computer or laptop or maybe an Apple Mac as well. So what a responsive design does is it adapts to whatever device it's on. You may have seen these sites more recently. They're becoming a lot more common on the internet nowadays. So what happens is when you go to this site, for example, if you went to Amazon on an iPhone, it would look very different to how it would look on a desktop. So if you test that out. If you test going to amazon.co.uk on your iPhone or your iPad and have a look on your desktop, you'll see that they look totally different and they're easier to use on the iPhone and on the iPad and on the desktop. So they're designed in a way that allows the user to get the best experience on each device as they need it. So it's important that you take on that responsive design is needed, one, for your users. So your users will have a much better experience if they come to your site and they can navigate easier on a phone, and there's another design for a tablet that they can easily navigate around as well, where they've got slightly more screen space, and obviously on the desktop as well. So user experience is important, and Google will look at user experience in their ranking algorithms as well. So it makes sense that if the site is easily usable on a mobile device, that it will show up if somebody's doing a mobile search. So an example is if you're using your iPhone to look for a plumber, maybe you've got a leak in your house, and there is a plumber in Hackney, for example, that has a mobile site, it would make sense for Google to put that search or that site higher up the search result, because it's easier for that person to use on their mobile. Thus, Google has given the user a better experience, and also the plumber has given the user a better experience as well. So other statistics that Google has recently revealed is that in 2014, by the end of this year, Google expects mobile searches to be more than desktop searches. So by that they're saying that we're going to search for a lot more stuff on our mobile phones than we are on our desktops. So that's really important that we adopt the fact that we need to start amending our websites and ensure that we give our users a good mobile experience. Google has also said in the future they will give preference to mobile sites on mobile searches. So you do see that from time to time. It's not like a hard and fast rule in the algorithm at this point, but it absolutely makes sense that in the future, if you're looking for a plumber in Hackney and there's 10 businesses in that area that have mobile sites, then every single one of those should be on page one, because they're going to give me the easiest user experience from my mobile device. If you don't understand how to make your site responsive, then it's important that you contact your web designer. So if you've used a web designer in the past, ask him to give you a quotation on changing your site into a responsive site. In some instances, it's a fairly easy thing to do. If you've got a big e-commerce site or a really difficult site that's been worked on an old platform, it might be something that's slightly harder to do, but it's still massively important that you take on board that by the end of this year, nearly 50% of the people looking at your site may be doing it on a mobile device. So regardless of cost, you need to get that on board and look at potentially making your site mobile responsive. So I hope you find that useful. Do give your web designers a call and see if they can help you out with that. Thanks very much. If you're not already a member of rocketmarketinghub.com, I suggest you join right now. Simply head over to rocketmarketinghub.com/join_now. Our members get exclusive access to all of our webinars and historic webinars that we've partnered with great experts from around the UK and abroad to show you what's working in the world of digital marketing. We also have Rocket TV every single week, which gives you bite-sized tips and tricks that you can implement into your business, along with our master plans, which give you step-by-step tutorials on how to use Facebook advertising, Twitter marketing, social media, LinkedIn, search engine optimization, Google+, and lots more. We have Fast Forward, which is a quick start with guides and tips to get marketing pillars implemented quickly into your business. So join right now at rocketmarketinghub.com/join_now.